using x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus bx plus ab find. So you have some expressions here and you have to find their values using this identity. Now if you remember, we have discussed in our earlier video tutorials that this is actually a general identity, not a standard identity. So if you look at this expression, then if you rewrite it as 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 4. So what you have done is you have actually written this expression in the form of x plus a multiplied by x plus b. How? X is here, so 100 is here, 100 is here, then a is here, and then b is here, right? So x plus a multiplied by x plus b, where we have taken this as x, this as a, and 4 as b. So x plus a multiplied by x plus b is actually equal to x squared. So x squared means what? X squared is 100 squared, then plus a plus b means what? 3 plus 4, x means what? 100, plus ab means what? 3 multiplied by 4, right? So this is 10,000 plus 700 plus 12. So if you look at this one, this is 10,712. Okay. This is 5.1 multiplied by 5.2. Now this 5.1 multiplied by 5.2, if you want to write this in this form, so this can be written as 5 plus 0.1 multiplied by 5 plus 0.2. Right? So you have x here, you have x here. So 5 here, 5 here. It means it's functioning as x. Then you have a here, so you have a here. And then you have b here, so you have b here. Right. Now, x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x squared. This should be x squared. This is x squared. So x squared means what? 5 squared plus a plus b means what? 0.1 plus 0.2 multiplied by x means 5 excuse me, plus ab means 0.1 multiplied by 0.2. This is 25, then this is 25 plus 0.3 multiplied by 5 plus 0.1 multiplied by 0.2 is 0.02. So if you further simplify it, this becomes 25 plus 1.5 plus 0.02. Add these three together, you get 26.5 plus 0.02, and this is equal to 26.52. So this is the answer for this one. Here you can rewrite this as 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 minus 2. Now, if you're thinking that this is actually of the form x plus a multiplied by x minus b, right? No, we can rewrite it to make it x plus a multiplied by x plus b. How? Write this as 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus minus 2. Now you have x here, you have x here, 100 here, 100 here, then you have a here, you have a here. So this is x, this is a, and then you have b here, you have b here, that is minus 2. So what's x squared? X squared is 100 squared plus a plus b means 3 plus minus 2, right? X 100 plus ab means 3 multiplied by minus 2. This gives you 10,000 plus 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 multiplied by 100 is 100, plus 3 minus 2 is 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6. So you have minus 6 here. So this gives you, if you subtract this, you have 10,000 plus 94. So you get 10,094.